Welcome to our RAM Showdown. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two powerhouse DDR5 RAM kits, the CORSAIR VENGEANCE RGB and the G.SKILL Flare X5 series. Both are designed for high performance, but they cater to different platforms and preferences. Let's explore what sets them apart and which one might be the right choice for your next build. When it comes to compatibility, the CORSAIR VENGEANCE RGB is specifically optimized for Intel systems, making it a great choice for users looking to build or upgrade their Intel-based setups. On the other hand, the G.SKILL Flare X5 series is designed with AMD Ryzen platforms in mind, ensuring peak performance and compatibility with AMD's latest technologies. If you're building a system, it's crucial to choose RAM that aligns with your processor for the best results. One of the standout features of the CORSAIR VENGEANCE RGB is its dynamic 10-zone RGB lighting, which allows for a customizable and visually stunning setup. Gamers and PC builders who appreciate aesthetics will find this feature particularly appealing. In contrast, the G.SKILL Flare X5 series opts for a more understated design without RGB lighting, focusing instead on performance and compatibility. This choice may appeal to users who prefer a clean look without the distractions of colorful lighting. Overclocking capabilities are essential for enthusiasts looking to push their systems to the limit. The CORSAIR VENGEANCE RGB supports Intel's XMP 3.0, allowing for easy overclocking and performance tuning on Intel platforms. Meanwhile, the G.SKILL Flare X5 series features AMD eXPO support, which simplifies overclocking for users on AMD systems. Both options provide excellent performance, but the choice between them will depend on your platform of choice. In conclusion, both the CORSAIR VENGEANCE RGB and G.SKILL Flare X5 series offer impressive performance and features tailored to different platforms. If you're an Intel user looking for vibrant RGB lighting and customizable profiles, the CORSAIR VENGEANCE is an excellent choice. However, if you're building an AMD system and prioritize compatibility and a low-profile design, the G.SKILL Flare X5 is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech insights.